Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Colourpop Big Poppy palette. Now this palette came out during their Black Friday situation they had going on their website. And now, tomorrow, they are going to be, which today's Wednesday the 9th. So tomorrow, Thursday the 10th at 10 a.m. PST, they're going to be coming out with a full collection, a Big Poppy collection. I don't know if that's what they're calling it or not, but they're coming out with a full collection with blushes, lippy pencils, lippy sticks, and a couple of Soul Body products and a Fourth Ray product, I believe. So I just have the palette because I ordered it when I ordered something else. So we're just going to play with this today and see what we think about this. If that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take off my glasses, and I did my brows with the Joa brow pencil in Ebony. Prime my eyes with the Sigma Eye Base Primer in Ignite, which is what I always do. But I actually put on a little bit of the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer today just to moisturize my lips. And we're going to go ahead and get into this palette. Like I said, they're selling the collection tomorrow, so it's a part of a collection now, and that's going to be going on sale tomorrow, which is Thursday the 10th at 10 a.m. PST. And the palette is all matte. It's an all matte palette. It's kind of like the sister to the Sunflower palette. So we're going to get into this palette, and I'm going to take Cali Love, and I'm going to put that in my crease. That's my transition shade. Alright, now I'm going to take Dig It right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner a little bit, in my outer crease. And I'm going to deepen up the crease with Groovin right here. Or deepen up the outer corner, I should say. Alright, so for the other half of my lid, I'm going to take the Super Shock Shadow in Peekaboo. Alright, that brush isn't working good. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up any of my edges that I have. I'm taking my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Illuminator in Soft Ivory, and I'm going to use that as my primer today. And I'm going to use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in Light 55N. I'm pretty much doing almost a full face of Colourpop. Blending that out with my Sigma multitasker brush. And I'm going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair 20N. And I'm going to dot that under my eyes. And I'm going to blend it out with my concealer brush. I set my under eyes and that concealer with the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. I'm taking the Colourpop Coconut Beach Pressed Powdered Bronzer. I'm going to use that to just warm up my face a little bit. And now I'm taking the Colourpop Love Story Pressed Powdered Blush. And this is one of my new favorites. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I was watching Makeup Just for Fun, her going through the collection, and actually this blush was kind of similar to the 2 new blushes, so I was going to pick them up, but I'm not sure if I am now. And I'm taking the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Seismic. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over my brow, other brow, down the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. Alright, I think I'm going to take Dig It, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take that same Peekaboo Super Shock Shadow. I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to throw on a little bit of Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. And for lips, I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippy Stick in Coyote Ugly. I'm going to put that on my lips real quick. And I'm going to set my face with a no filter setting mist. Just spray that. Alright, well this is the final look using the Colourpop Big Poppy palette. And I know I cheated and I used a Super Shock shadow, but really if you wanted to do all the matte and not do the Super Shock shadow, you can just use one of these two colors where I put the Super Shock shadow and blend it into the other colors, and you got your all matte look. But I have to have me some shimmer. I can't function without me some shimmer. But I really like this palette. I think it's really pretty. It is another warm neutral palette, so if you have a million of these, you probably don't need this one, but it is a pretty palette if you're interested in it. I think it's the same great Colourpop formula, and I think the color story is beautiful. So if you're interested in it, I think that it's a great palette to pick up. And it's reasonably priced. And actually tomorrow they're going to have 25% off of all palettes, including this one. So you can get this palette. If you just want the palette, you can get it 25% off. I don't think anything else is 25% off. It said palettes, so I think it's just the palettes. Don't hold me to that if I'm wrong. But yeah, so remember that tomorrow, which is Thursday, if you're watching this at a different time, Thursday, November the 10th at 10 a.m. PST, this collection, the Big Poppy collection, is going to go on sale. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you later. Bye, y'all.